Hi, and welcome back to another edition of Snack Attack. Today we are going to make brown bag ranch popcorn in the microwave, which I just think is super cool because you're not getting all those gross chemicals from a microwave bag of popcorn. So you're going to need a brown paper bag, of course. Any kind of lunch bag will do. I have some melted coconut oil here, but butter would work just as fine, or nothing if that's more your speed. About a quarter cup of popcorn kernels, and then I have a little bit of ranch seasoning here. So first, we're just gonna open up our bag, and then we'll just pour the kernels right on in. It is not complicated. And now I'm just gonna fold it up, a couple times, make sure it's scrunched. Don't put any tape, and definitely don't put a staple in it, but just make sure it's close enough that when you put it face down in the microwave, it's not gonna, pop open. So I'm gonna go put it in the microwave now, but we're gonna microwave it for 2 to 2.5 minutes, or really until the popping slows. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we're back. And you can see this beautiful bag of popcorn. And like I said, I've got a little bit of coconut oil, and if you wanna know a secret, that is what they use at movie theaters to give you that butter flavor. But butter works just as well. I'm gonna pour just the tiniest bit in and then shake the bag. And a little bit more. Adding it gradually like this, make sure you're not making a mess or getting anything soggy. All right. I think I got it just right. I'm gonna add the ranch seasoning, again, a little bit, and then I'll shake it. All right, let's see. I think we got it just right. So that's brown bag ranch popcorn for you. It really will work with any seasoning. You can use taco seasoning or Italian seasoning or just salt, pepper, whatever makes you happy. Maybe add a little sugar and call it kettle corn. But it really could not be easier than that. And I really like it this way. So we will see you again next time.